Today, we are revealing the best ways to trade cryptocurrencies in 2024, a year that is already buzzing with digital transformations, approval of Bitcoin spot ETF, Bitcoin halving, and possibly a bull run. First up, education. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding the basics of blockchain and market principle is key. There is a wealth of online courses and resources that can keep you informed. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in crypto trading. There's always a price to pay. If you don't pay to learn crypto properly, you will pay the price of losing your hard-earned money trading the wrong way. You get to learn from experienced traders. Learn from their mistakes so you don't have to repeat those mistakes. Because in this business, mistake will cost you money. Next, select the right exchange. With so many options out there, focus on reliability, security, and liquidity. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and OKX are among the favorites for traders worldwide due to their comprehensive services and robust security measures. There is a sign-up link in the description below. Developing a trading strategy is crucial. Are you a day trader or a long-term holder? Define your approach and stick to it. Don't forget about risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio on a single leverage trade. Use a combination of dollar cost averaging and hedging when trading volatile altcoin to ensure you secure your capital. Leverage technology to your advantage, from trading bots that automate decisions to technical analysis tools that help predict market movement. Technology can give you a significant edge in your trading endeavors. Stay updated on market trends. The crypto market is highly influenced by regulatory news and global economic events. Subscribe to news outlets and use financial analysis apps and social media platforms like Twitter to stay updated. Combination of dollar cost averaging and hedging is your best defense against volatility. Spread your investment across different assets from Bitcoin to major altcoins, microcaps, and even meme coins to mitigate risk and potentially increase your chance of a reward. And of course, security cannot be overstated. Use hardware wallets for large holdings and always enable two-factor authentication on your digital accounts. Trading cryptocurrency can be exciting and, if done right, incredibly rewarding. Some traders get above 1000x their investment. By following these guidelines, you will be well on your way to becoming a proficient trader in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Have questions or want to share your trading strategies? Drop us a comment below.